Hey there gardeners, Chris here. We've got our second raspberry. So the fruit tree fella in Kendall had them. I noticed on his Instagram where he kind of updates everyone on what he's got at the time and new stuff and all that kind of important information. He mentioned he had, or I think he had them in the photo, and I went, oh, I've got to get them because I've been waiting. I've got my little heritage raspberry from a nursery up there, and obviously I've got this raspberry here, which I was asking him today, you know, is that suitable for our subtropical climate? And he said, yes, it's an Autumn Bliss. And apparently these work even in warmer climates than where we are. So again, this is one of those really big questions that when you're buying, you've got to make sure you buy the right variety. Oh. And up the back here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clear out the soil a little bit, and we're gonna plant this guy towards the back because we've got the one in the front, but by having two totally different varieties here, it's actually a really good way of seeing if one of them doesn't work, then hopefully the other one will. There we go. Can't help myself, I always have to tease out the roots. So, I think we could almost do with, what is that? Oh, big stick. We can do with a little bit more soil around this and a little bit of compost. So I'm gonna go and grab a bucket of each because obviously I'm really trying to get as many jobs done as I can. Now this has actually gone a little bit wilty. It spent a couple of hours in the car because we picked it up on the way to a picnic, and so it had to just sit in the car. And I'm hoping here, I mean, I think it'll be fine because it's a little covered by the tree, but it's kind of the fullest sun position. It should be ideal here, like the garden bed as a whole. That's why I did this bed. And I've got really, really high hopes because I want raspberries. I want raspberries. So yeah, but let's get this job done. Soil, compost, and we'll be good to go. And if you're wondering why not a much thicker layer of the compost, this compost actually runs really hot, and I reckon there's the possibility that if you just piled a really thick layer on, apart from obviously capturing a lot of moisture and not necessarily letting it through to the plant, that the heat of the compost could actually cause issues as well. Like if it's right up against the plant, it could even burn the plant. All right, so we've now got our second raspberry in. I did splurge and buy a thornless blackberry at the same time, which I'm gonna also put in a more suitable position somewhere along here where it gets good sun, because the previous attempt, not enough sun, and that was a problem. Even though they say, I'm pretty sure they say part shade / sun.